What's wrong?
Why does something have to be wrong?
Okay.
Katie is such a bitch. She's standing by the snack truck and she tells everyone, I think I'll go out with Dylan. And she knows I love him because Colin told her. So Melanie says, you know Izzie likes him. And she goes, yeah, well, just because Izzie likes him doesn't make them a couple. Do you believe her? She doesn't even like him. She's just jockeying me.
What's jockeying?
Copying, and don't put it in your show.
Did you tell Katie how you feel?
No. Can I change my name to Drew?
What's wrong with Izzie?
Nothing. Could you just call me Drew from now on?
I want to go where culture is, like
How
New
in the
York,
world did I raise such a
or at least
snob?
Connecticut or New Hampshire,
Well,
where
you
writers
couldn't
live in the
get
woods.
into those schools anyway.
Mom,
You can't even pass your driver's test.
because you wouldn't let me practice
The way
enough.
that you work, or the way that you don't work, you're not even worth state tuition, Christine.
My name is Ladybird.
Well, actually, it's not, and it's ridiculous.
Call me
because your name
Ladybird
is
like you
Christine.
said you would.
You should just go to City College. You know, with your work ethic, just go to City College and then to jail, and then back to City College, and then maybe you'd learn to pull yourself up and not expect everybody to do everything.
I hate this place. Why do I have to try on pants?
You can't keep wearing the same raggy jeans every day.
Why don't we just buy them?
I don't feel like driving back and forth 1,000 times, exchanging them.
I look like a cow.
Does the waist fit?
They're humongous.
I just need to see the waist size.
They don't fit. They're too small.
They look good.
They won't close.
Oh, well, what's the length?
They're tight, Mom. Forget it. I'm too fat. My belly is gigantic. You wouldn't understand. You've got a flat stomach and you're pretty.
No, honey, no, my face is falling down. Everything is drying out. I'm hurtling toward Cloris Leachman. You're young. You're like a fresh new peach. Oh, Izzie, you're beautiful. Don't you get it?
I'm not beautiful. I'm not even cute. I'm an ugly pig.
Are you tired?
No,
So if you're tired, we can sit down.
I'm not tired.
Oh, okay. I just couldn't tell because you were dragging your feet. Well, I just couldn't tell.
Why didn't you just say pick up your feet?
I didn't know if you were
You
tired.
were being passive aggressive.
No, I
You are
wasn't.
so infuriating.
Please stop yelling.
I'm not yelling. Oh, it's perfect.
When can I have sex?
When you get your master's degree.
No, come on, really.
When you go to college, 18.
Ma, 15.
No way. Maybe, I don't know, 17.
Ma, 15 is the new 17.
When do you think is a normal time to have sex?